Hello guys and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I will be showing you how to use these light leaks in your videos, which are being used by many creators like Dhruv Rathee and many more. You can download these and many more light leaks overlays from my WhatsApp channel. I will leave the link in the description, so check it out. So let's get started. Open CapCut and bring in your clips. Adjust them on the screen. Now bring in the light leaks and place it like this at the end of one clip and the start of the other clip. After adjusting the light leak, go to its blend options and turn its blend mode to screen. This will change the light leak and become a pretty cool transition between two clips. I will show you some more of these light leaks to make sure you understood how to use them. And that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more updates or work related to editing. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.